Keeping valuables protected inside your truck should never mean sacrificing convenience or interior style. This Tuffy center console safe is engineered specifically for full-size Ford F-Series trucks, delivering serious security while maintaining a completely stock appearance. Designed for drivers who demand both protection and usability, this console safe blends seamlessly into your factory interior and installs in just minutes without drilling. Built from welded steel components with a durable textured powder coat finish, the safe features Tuffy's pry guard locking system using 1/8 inch thick steel for exceptional resistance against forced entry. The exclusive 10-tumbler double-bitted lock includes built-in weather seals for smooth, reliable operation in all conditions. For added flexibility, the lock can also be swapped for a combination style if preferred. One of the standout features is Tuffy's exclusive lid support system, which holds the safe lid open while you access its contents. This makes organizing and retrieving items easier and safer, especially in tight spaces. The design preserves full use of the factory armrest, lid, and accessory tray, so everyday comfort and functionality remain unchanged. Access to optional OEM USB and power outlets inside the console is also maintained, ensuring your tech stays connected. Despite its rugged construction, the safe is carefully engineered to minimize loss of storage capacity. Owners consistently praise how sturdy it feels while still offering enough interior space to work around inside the console. Adjustable swing tension allows you to customize how the lid opens, whether you prefer a firm resistance or a smoother motion. Continuing Tuffy's legacy of manufacturing premium console safes since 1997, this model delivers trusted security for modern trucks without compromising design. If you want discreet, dependable protection for your valuables that looks factory installed, this console safe is an excellent upgrade. Click the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel to explore more high-quality truck accessories and interior security solutions.